In today's video, I'm going to teach you activating your Funnelish apps. We're going to walk through step by step how to activate apps inside your Funnelish account so you can actually start using them in your funnels. I'll explain what to look for on each screen and share some quick tips so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, open your browser and go to your Funnelish dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account. The dashboard is your main control center, where you can see your funnels, stats, and of course, your apps. Give the page a moment to load and confirm that you're on the main home or overview screen of your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section or menu item labeled Apps. Depending on your layout, this might be in the top navigation bar, a side menu, or a dedicated tab. Go ahead and click on Apps. This will take you to the page where all available Funnelish apps are listed. Here you can see which apps are currently active and which ones are not. On the apps page, you'll notice a list of apps with a small toggle or switch next to each one. This toggle is what controls whether an app is activated or deactivated. To activate an app you want to use, simply click on the toggle next to it. When the toggle changes color or position, that indicates the app has been turned on. Take a moment to review the list and only turn on the apps that you actually need, to keep your setup clean and easier to manage. After you've toggled on the apps you want, the next step is to configure them. Click directly on the name or icon of each app you have just turned on. This will open that app's individual settings page. Inside, you might see options to connect integrations, adjust preferences, or customize how the app behaves in your funnels. Even if you don't change anything right away, it's a good idea to look through these settings so you understand what the app can do. Once you've checked or updated the settings for an app, scroll down and look for a button that says Save Changes. Click on Save Changes to make sure all of your adjustments are stored and the app remains properly activated. If you configure several apps, repeat this process for each one and always finish by saving. And that's it. By following these steps from your Funnelish dashboard, you've successfully activated your Funnelish apps and saved your changes, so they're ready to use in your funnels.